Good morning, Year 6. So, today we're going to continue looking at multiplication from pictures, but we are going to look at the more reasoning and problem solving side of it. So, we're going to look at the more challenging side. Okay? So, first of all, can you complete this calculation? So, we're thinking back to yesterday. Can you complete this calculation? So, pause the video now and have a go. Oh, just before you do, these coins are all worth 1 pence. Okay. Oh, sorry, I think worth 2 pence actually. They're all 2 pence coins. Okay. Pause the video now and have a go at completing that. Okay, let's have a look at the answer then. So we've got 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12 because we've got 6 groups. We've got 2 in each group, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. Well done if you got that correct. Okay, let's have a look at this then. So it says, these statements represent this picture. Which ones are true and which ones are false? So this is your picture. So how I would do this, I would first of all work out how many groups I've got. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Okay? And then I would work out how much I've got in each group. So I'll just write 4G for 4 groups. In each group I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you've got 5 in each group and you've got 4 groups. Okay? So what I would like you to do, I would just write which ones are false. Okay? So have a look at each of these calculations and tell me which ones are false. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, let's have a look then. So, the statements that are false are 5 multiplied by 4, because it's suggesting that you've got 5 groups of 4, okay, where you've got 4 groups of 5. 4 add 4 add 4 is false, because that's saying that you've got 4 in each group, but you haven't, you've got 5 in each group. And 3 multiplied by 5 is false, because that's saying that you've got 3 groups of 5, but you've actually got 4 groups of 5. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, so let's have a look at this one together. There are 6 plates. There are 4 chocolate bars on each plate. How many chocolate bars are there altogether? Draw an image to help you represent it. So, first of all, I'm going to work out how many groups I've got. So it's all in this top bit here. So there are 6 plates. So I'm going to draw 6 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so they are your groups. You've got 6 plates, so you've got 6 groups. There are 4 chocolate bars on each plate. So I'm going to dot 4 chocolate bars on each plate. Okay, so there's my image. So now I need to work out how many chocolate bars there are altogether. So if I was to write my calculation, I would write 6 multiplied by 4, because I've got 6 lots, 6 groups of 4. Okay, and then you can count them up and work out what you've got. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so your answer would be 24. So let's just make sure that we've answered all of the question. The first question was, how many chocolate bars are there altogether? So we've said 24. And then it says, draw an image to help you represent it, which we've done here. Okay? Right, now it's your turn. Have a go at this question. So there are 4 baskets. There are 3 dolls in each basket. How many dolls are there altogether? Draw an image and write a calculation to represent the problem. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, then let's have a look. So, to represent the problem, I've drawn this image. So I've drawn 4 baskets, so 4 groups, and I've put 3 in each group. Okay, I've then written my calculation, which is 4 multiplied by 3 because you've got 4 groups of 3, which is 12. Well done if you got that one correct. Okay, so now we've got to write a story for the calculation 4 times 10. Okay, then we've got to draw an image to illustrate our story. So our story could be, it just means write it in a sentence basically. So there are 4 groups and there are 10 in each group. Okay, so that's your story. So now we've got to draw a picture, an image to represent that. Okay, so we've got 4 groups. So I've got 1, 2, 3, oops, and 4. I've got 10 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's just make sure we've answered the question fully because we haven't actually calculated anything. Write a story for the calculation 4 times 10, which we've done. There are 4 groups and there are 10 in each group. Draw an image to illustrate your story, which we've done here. If you wanted to, you could be a bit more ambitious with your drawing and you could actually draw, I don't know, 4 groups with 10 butterflies in it or something like that. Okay, you don't have to do dots like I have. I just find that's the easiest way and the clearest way. Okay, your turn again. So, draw a picture to match each problem and find the answer. So like we did here, you need to draw a picture to represent the calculation, but then you've also got to work out the problem. Okay, pause the video now and have a go at these. Okay, let's have a look then. So, for the first one, there are 4 plates with 2 biscuits on each plate. How many biscuits are there in total? So I've drawn 4 plates and then I've drawn 2 biscuits on each. Okay, so in total there would be 8. Okay, the next one, there are 10 sweets in a bag. There are 3 bags. So there's 3 groups because there's 3 bags. So 1, 2, 3. And there's 10 in each group. Okay, so we need to work out how many there are all together, which is 30. And then your last one, a purse has 5p coins in it. How much money is there in total? Okay, sorry, a purse has 5p coins. So you've got 5 groups with 5 in each group. So that would be 25. Well done if you got those correct. If you've done this part as well, fantastic. Write a story and draw a picture for each calculation. So that is exactly the same as what we did on this page here. Okay, well done if you got those correct. Let's move on. So this is your last question for today. So you've got this picture here with your train, your 2 groups, and your 5 children in each group. You've got 2 times 5, 5 add 5, and 5 add 2. Each calculation could explain the image. Explain why. So why could each of these calculations explain this image? Pause the video and see if you can have a go at answering that one. Okay, so this one is really quite tricky because you can see it in your head, but you can struggle to explain it sometimes. So this is my explanation. So each calculation could explain the image because there are 2 groups with 5 in each group. So this is equal to 2 times 5 and 5 add 5. It could also be written as there are 5 in each group and there are 2 groups, which represents 5 multiplied by 2. Well done if you kind of got that answer correct. Well done also if you got it fully correct. Don't worry too much if you struggled to explain yourself, because that was a rather tricky question to explain. I'll speak to you again soon.